Welcome to Venu Maths Academy. In this video, discuss about errors and approximations. First, discuss about formula and objective type questions. The synopsis. Here, if y is equal to f of x is one function, delta x is the change in x and delta y is the corresponding change in y is delta y. Then the relation is delta y is equal to f of x plus delta x minus f of x. Next one, dy by dx of delta x is called differential in y. It is denoted by dy or df. dy equal to df equal to f dash x into delta x. Next, the approximate value of the function. In general, delta y and dy, these two values are approximately equal. Delta y is approximately equal to dy. By using these two relations, one formula, f of x plus delta x is approximately equal to f of x plus dy. Here dy is equal to f dash x into delta x. Next, discuss about absolute error, relative error and percentage error. Here, if y is any variable, then delta y is called an absolute error in y. Delta y by y is called relative error in y. Delta y by y into 100 is called percentage error in y. Next, discuss about objective type questions. Question number 1. If f of x equal to x square by 2 plus 3x, where x equal to 2, delta x equal to 0.05, then to find the df, here the four options are given. In this question, f of x equal to x square by 2 plus 3x, x equal to 2 and delta x equal to 0.05. These are the given values. To find df, dy is equal to df is equal to f dash x into delta x. This is the formula. Here f of x is equal to x square by 2 plus 3x, f dash x, x square differentiation 2x, 2x by 2. Here the 3x differentiation, d by dx of x is 1, 3 into 1 3, 2x by 2 plus 3 into delta x, 2 to get cancelled, x plus 3, the x value is 2, 2 plus 3, delta x is 0.05. 2 plus 3, 5. 5 into 0.05. 5 into 5, 25. The answer is 0.25. 0.25. Second option is correct. Question number 2. If y is equal to 1 by x square, x equal to 1, delta x equal to minus 0.01, then approximate error in y. These are the four options. In this question, let y is equal to f of x equal to 1 by x square, x equal to 1, delta x equal to minus 0.01. Approximate error in y, that means dy. dy is equal to f dash x into delta x. Here f of x is equal to 1 by x square. The differentiation of d by dx of 1 by x power n minus n by x power n plus 1, d by dx of 1 by x square minus 2 by x cubed into delta x. Here x value is 1 minus 2, x value is 1, delta x is equal to minus 0.01. Minus into minus plus, the answer is 0.01 into 2, 0.02. Fourth option is correct. Question number 3. The approximate value of square root of 1.02 is, these are the 4 options. In this question, to find the approximate value of square root of 1.02, 1.02, 1.02 equal to 1 plus 0.02. Here, this is x equal to 1, delta x equal to 0.02. This is the form, this is in the form of root form. Let f of x equal to root x. Here, dy is equal to f dash x into delta x. F of x is equal to root x. Differentiation of root x is 1 by 2 root x. Delta x is equal to 0.02. Here the x value is 1. 1 by 2 into root 1, 0.02. Root 1 value is 1. 0.02 by 2, that value equal to 0.01. Cancelled, that value equal to 0.01. The relation is approximate value is f of x plus delta x is approximately equal to f of x plus dy. Here f of x is equal to root x. F of x plus delta x means square root of x plus delta x is approximately equal to f of x is root x. The dy value is 0.01. 0.01. Here the x value is 1. Delta x is equal to 0.02. x1, delta x 0.02. The sum 1.02. Root x is 1 plus 0.01. Root 1 value is 1. 1 plus 0.01. The approximate value equal to 1 plus 0.01 equal to 1.01. First option is correct. Question number 4. The approximate value of fifth root of 33. Here the 4 options are given. Here the question is fifth root of 33. 33 can be split into 32 plus 1. 33 equal to 32 plus 1. Here x equal to 32, delta x equal to 1. Fifth root of 33, let f of x is equal to fifth root of x, that equal to x power 1 by 5. dy is equal to f dash x into delta x. Here the f of x is equal to x power 1 by 5. The f dash x value is 1 by 5 x power 1 by 5 minus 1 delta x. 1 by 5 minus 1 minus 4 by 5. 1 by 5 x power minus 4 by 5 delta x. dy equal to 1 by 5 1 by x power 4 by 5 delta x. In question delta x is equal to 1, x equal to 32. X equal to 32, that equal to 2 power 5. 1 by 5, 1 by 2 power 5, whole power 4 by 5, delta x value is 1. 5 get cancelled. 2 power 4. 2 power 4 value is 16. 2 into 2 4. 4 into 2 8. 8 into 2 16. 16 into 5 80. 1 by 80. 1 by 80 value is 1. 81s 80 0 82s 160 0 85s 400. 1 by 80 value is 0.0125. To find the approximate value of fifth root of 33, f of x plus delta x is approximately equal to f of x plus dy. F of x is fifth root of x. F of x plus delta x, fifth root of x plus delta x is approximately equal to f of x. F of x is fifth root of x. dy value is 0.0125. Here x value is 32, delta x 1. 32 plus 1, 33. Fifth root of 33 is approximately equal to fifth root of 32. Fifth root of 32 plus 0.0125. Fifth root, here x equal to 32, 32 equal to 2 power 5. 2 power 5 whole power 1 by 5. 5 get cancelled. Fifth root of 32 value is 2. 2 plus 0.0125. 2.0125. 2.0125. This is the first one is correct. These are the level 1 type questions. In next video also discuss about errors and approximations. If you like this video, please share and subscribe. And also if you have any doubt, drop them in the comment section.